In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect keyboard to Galaxy Tab S9 FE. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and connect any keyboard model that you have to your Galaxy tablet. Keep in mind that even though I'm talking about the S9 FE as the focus of this video, this process will work with any other model of tablet that you have from Samsung and other manufacturers. So first, the main connection type is going to be through a wireless connection over Bluetooth, and it is going to be the one that I'm focusing on this video. So if your keyboard has Bluetooth capabilities, you will be able to conveniently get this done. If it doesn't support Bluetooth or you want to use a different connection type, then I'm going to talk about that later. So first, assuming that your keyboard has Bluetooth, you will have to set it into pairing mode. Pairing mode allows it to be discovered by the Galaxy S9 FE or any other model of tablet that you are using. So to do this, you will have to press a specific combination of buttons. This is going to differ for every single keyboard, and sadly for this video, I cannot give you instructions for every single one. In this one from Logitech, this will be done by pressing one of these three respective buttons. So you press one of these buttons and set it into pairing mode. Afterwards, go into the settings of the Galaxy tablet that you are using. Into the Connections tab, you will find Bluetooth. Make sure that it is enabled, and it is going to be available here under the list of available devices. And now all that you have to do is choose it from the list. This will also work with any other peripherals that you have. You put them into pairing mode by pressing a specific button or combination of buttons and then choose it from the list. They will remain connected as long as they are sufficiently charged. Now, like I said in the beginning, if your specific peripheral does not support Bluetooth wireless connectivity, then you will either have to use a USB dongle that connects to it wirelessly. So you just place the dongle into any of the available ports on your tablet, usually the USB one, and it will discover and connect itself to the keyboard or mouse, or you have to use a wired connection. So you plug one end of the USB cable into the tablet and then the other one into the keyboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect keyboard to Galaxy Tab S9 FE. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.